we have Barry coaching the kids as well,
Mm-hmm.
making sure the form is good and sound before we get them like progressing to lifting heavier. But we never max out with the kids at that age. Not until like they're more teenagers now. They go into sports. Actually, I don't even have to be like coaching Zachary. I know that he's already learned it. He has
Mm.
his phone, angle certain way, and trying new things. I watched him benching the other day. He trying to like he's not a big guy. He's trying to get that benching like people sunking it in and pressing, and he try all that. I'm like, what are you trying to angle? I'm not posting. I just want to see. So that's
Mm.
all good that he's self-learning, and he's all also like will be consulting with me and Sean about what do you think about this, and then we'll be saying like, I think your body type does not go well with that kind of form, but
Mm.
of course
Mm.
you can try. I mean, I'm open for you if it works for you. Just like if it works for like on a lot of those young people that we work with, it's more about losing my hand. It's more about well, we're open if you want to try something. It's not one size fit all. I think that if you think that works, good. If it doesn't work for you, it's fine. Everyone is
Yes.
different. The body type is different. So yeah,